Hey, it's Lorna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be using the Babyliss Tight Curls wand on my daughter Kiara's hair. She is obsessed with curls, so this is fabulous because it lasts for days. On the video I've got day 1, day 2 and day 3, and to be honest I probably love the curls more on day 2 and day 3, but have a wee watch, see what you think and let me know. Enjoy! I'm taking really small sections here just because Kiara loves the curls really tight, and also because I want them to last. So it's really up to yourself, you don't have to take them as small sections as this.
Looks like I do have blonde hair. I look like an old granny.
Come on, shake about. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Loads more to come. Please subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Love yous loads. Keep smiling. Mwah.